Good morning, students of class 6. Welcome to your new session of computer application class. In this video, first we will discuss about your computer unit test syllabus. This time we have two chapters in your UT, that is chapter number 2 computer language and chapter number 4 word processor tabular presentation. In this video, we will discuss about your chapter number 2 computer language. Let's begin with the introduction of computer language. Child, computer has become an integral part of our life. We can say that computer have entered each and every walk of life, be it at home, at work or at school. Most of our activities either involve the use of computer or depend upon the information delivered from computer. Let's discuss the key points of this chapter first. In this chapter, we will learn about computer languages, categories of programming languages, low-level language, high-level language, and language processor. Let's begin with the introduction. As we know that computer has become the integral part of life. So to communicate with the computer and give instructions to it, we need to use some language. Computer understands some special languages which are called computer languages. If we talk about the definition of computer language, then a computer language is a special language understood by a computer. It consists of a set of words, symbols, and codes that is used to write computer program. Now, before we understand computer languages, first we need to know what is program. Program is a set of instructions given to a computer to get a particular task done, or whenever we want to perform any task on computer, we need to follow a set of instructions, and that set of instructions are called program. The process of writing program is called programming, and the people who write program are called programmers. Programming languages are categorized into two major categories: low-level language and high-level language. Low-level languages are written to run on a particular computer and cannot be easily used on other computer. Whereas the instructions written in high-level languages are similar to English language. It is very user-friendly and easier to understand and write a program in this language. Low-level languages are machine-dependent languages and high-level languages are machine-independent languages. Let's have a brief discussion about the low-level languages. Low-level languages are further classified into two categories: machine-level languages and assembly languages. Machine-level languages are also known as first-generation languages. These languages are easily understood by a computer without any translation. Reason is that it refers to zeros and ones that computer can understand as instruction. Computer understand only the language of zeros and ones, and because machine language based on the language of zeros and ones, this is the reason that machine-level languages do not require any type of translator for the conversion. Due to this reason, it is also called low-level language. These languages are completely machine-dependent languages, but these languages are not portable to other computers. Next, we have assembly languages. Assembly language is also termed as second-generation language. It is also a part of your low-level language programming. Assembly languages uses letters and symbols instead of using zeros and ones. A program written in assembly languages uses short sequence of letters which termed as mnemonic codes, such as add for addition, CMP for comparison, LDA for loading, and mul for multiplication. You can also say that div is used for division. The coding which is written in assembly languages is also termed as source program. Now, as all of you know that source programs are those programs or programming code which is not written in machine language or in the form of zeros and ones. Language is need to convert into machine language. That programming code is termed as source program. In assembly language, we are using mnemonics codes. So mnemonics codes are needed to convert into machine level language. For that, we use assembler. Assembler is used to translate assembly language into machine level language. so that the computer can understand it. Let's have a discussion about the high-level languages. And we all know that high-level languages are similar to English languages. So here also we need to convert high-level languages to machine understandable languages. High-level languages are further classified into three categories: procedural languages, non-procedural languages, and natural languages. Procedural languages is termed as a third generation languages. In this language, the program write instructions and tell the computer what to do and how to do. Here, the detailed programming is given and user only need to follow that particular procedure to accomplish the task. Next, we have non-procedural language. Non-procedural language is also called fourth generation language. In this language, programmer only specifies what the program should accomplish without explaining them how to accomplish the task. Natural languages, sometimes called fifth generation languages, it is a type of query language that allows the user to enter requests that resembles human speech. In the smartphones, when we search something while giving the human speech instructions, that time we are in the use of natural languages. In the next part of the video, we will discuss about language processor and some of the examples of high-level languages. That's all in this session. Thank you.